Facebook by far. I found very early on that there are people in this world that live not so good lives, Simon, and they look for they're looking and they're yearning and they're searching very, very hard, high and low, to find a friend. And so I wake up every single day. I join 10 new groups on Facebook, and I make bring value to those groups. And I'll give you an example. And I don't listen, do not think for 1 minute that I join these groups to make a dollar, because I don't. I join these groups always, always, always looking to expand my friends list on Facebook and to connect with new people and to change a life. And sometimes changing that life has nothing to do with my product. Sometimes it just has to do with, and I'll give you an example. I joined a Facebook group. These people in this Facebook group were providing support for people who suffered from a disease called fibromyalgia. And so I joined this group, and I don't know very much about fibromyalgia, although I have some business partners and some friends that suffer from it. So I know it can be very hard on you. And I literally went in one day and people were asking some questions. So I went out and I Googled the question that they asked, and WebMD came up with this really amazing answer. And so I went back to the group page and I typed in, well, guys, per WebMD, and I answered the question. And then they started engaging in a conversation with me. What is a WebMD? And so I told them about WebMD, and the next thing I know, my Facebook page is blowing up with friend requests. And I thought, wow, this is kind of cool. So I tell everybody, if you are looking to build a business, go be a good human. Go provide value. Go be important in somebody else's life. Go shine somewhere. Go shine somewhere without one single thought about making a dollar, without one single thought about selling your product. Just go be a good human. And that's what I did. You know, when you leave one company and you join another company, there are rules and regulations. So I had to start over because I had everybody in my first company. But that's where I did it. I went and I joined groups. I joined fishing groups and hunting groups, things that I could have intelligent conversations, things that I knew something about, things that I had in common with other people, and sewing groups. I even joined a sewing group, didn't know anything about it, but I saw this post come across my Facebook one day, and it said, I'm sleepless in Seattle and it's 2 a.m. And so I joined this public group and I said, well, I'm sleepless in New Orleans. And if it's 2 a.m. for you, that means it's 4 a.m. for me. And so you just be a good human.